We went to Benin to preach. There's something Satan is afraid of. But he is late. The thing on this life, I will plant Jesus' flag there. When a Hilux finally picked us, me and Joshua were laughing in the car. The flag of righteousness, I will plant it in Edo State. The devil is late. We came back from administration. Myself, Pastor Raka from RCN Lagos, and Joshua were all in the car. Protocol was driving behind us with our cooler for food. The car behind us, we were looking through the window like this. They had put palm fronds on the road to block the road in the middle of the night. Who did it? That's the road we just passed to go to church. They are blocked. So our car just saw it late and held brakes. And then we were able to manage. The car coming behind us saw it very late. As the brother stepped on the brake, in our presence, the car somersaulted. We're the ones that ran out to bring a sister who was just about to marry